In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Watch Series 6 to iPhone 7 Plus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Apple Watch regardless of the series on an iPhone 7 Plus. I'm going to give you general steps. However, I do need to make something very clear. For the Apple Watch Series 6 specifically, there are going to be some limitations. You will only be able to connect each of these devices if they have a specific Watch OS and iOS version, meaning that if you updated them to the newer versions, there could be problems connecting them both. The Apple Watch Series 6 requires an iPhone 6s or later with iOS 14 or later, so keep that in mind. Make sure that the version is iOS 14 or later on your iPhone 7 Plus. And as long as you have the Watch OS set up correctly as well, you will be able to connect them together. Now, to do this, all that you have to do is power on the Apple Watch. Immediately upon powering it on, there is going to be a warning on screen telling you to bring it near your iPhone. So now, put them in close proximity, and there will be a pop-up that detects the Apple Watch. All that you have to do is follow the instructions on screen. You will be guided through the Watch application where you can set up the watch for yourself. You will be able to customize the watch faces, set up all of the applications, and get it connected. If this pop-up does not appear, you can also manually open the Watch app like I mentioned. And if you notice that at any point during this connection you are unable to make them work together, it's probably because of the incompatibilities on the versions that I mentioned. So sadly, you will have to be aware of which iOS and Watch OS version you are running. There are some limitations regarding compatibility, and if you follow these steps and it doesn't work, then you can try updating the OS version. If it still doesn't work, then it means that your specific version cannot be paired up together. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to connect Apple Watch Series 6 to iPhone 7 Plus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.